Hi, it's Ed Butowski. There's an old adage, give a man a fish, feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish and you fed him for a lifetime. I believe the same thing holds true in financial management. I believe it is crucial that we do a much better job in our industry in educating people about financial literacy and basically about how to manage their money better. I don't think we do a very good job. And in teaching, we need to really focus on the idea that the structure of the portfolio is the most important thing. We spend our time in this country talking about what really isn't that important, which is security selection and market timing. The key to portfolio management is the structure of a portfolio. I encourage all of you to get out and learn as much as you can. There are websites that you can dive into and really focus in on things that affect your lives. Look at how bonds affect a portfolio, look at how equities affect a portfolio, and how to properly structure a portfolio. It's all right there at your fingertips. So as I go through this process with Winford, teaching him about portfolio management, you should do the same. Learn as much as you can. It's right there in front of you. Thanks.